Roger. 3, 2, 1.
Retribution is in the AO.
Thanks out, Salt. Check. Metal 1, we'll run fire support with Red. You keep your eye on the prize.
Aye, sir.
Bogey, 10 o'clock.
Retribution hangar deck. Boss, we're short on pilots, but I need all available jacks. I know you're an ace.
I can fly for you, sir. Airborne in 30 seconds.
Fair winds, LT.
Thank you, Captain.
Hull integrity is at 48%.
Hold course and prep for evac. Gator, status report.
Bandits on my 6.
Gibson.
I've been hit. I'm going down.
Copy. Prep retribution for exfil, Gator.
Olympus hull integrity is critical.
Affirm. We're close. All ahead, full. Target eliminated.
5 missiles
Let's get
remaining.
smacked, Reyes.
Incoming missile.
Get thrashed out here, Raider.
3 missiles remaining.
Stand by, Salt. I'm heading your way.
Two missiles remaining.
Get my way back out here, Reyes.
Salt, I'm visual.
Reyes, watch your six.
1-1 is hit. Double engine stall. Triangle auxiliary. Metal 1, this is it. Lock in and ram the shipyard.
Captain, Retribution is losing altitude. Cannot divert.
Affirmed, Captain. We're veering into our path. Collision imminent.
Ethan, pull up now!
Aye, sir.
Shit!
Mayday, mayday, mayday. System up responsive. Craft and weapon descent.
All stations. Retribution is a nav system casualty. Full power loss.
Forward engine fire. Watch you going down.
Salt! Mayday, mayday, mayday! 1-1 is breaking up! I can't hold her!
Warning, critical damage.
All stations experiencing critical failures. All ship can't maintain altitude. Abandon ship! Abandon ship! Retribution going down! Brace for impact!
Retribution, this is Raider. Do you copy? Gator! Gator!
We're at the crash site. You're down. Heavy bleeding. We need immediate handyman.
This is 1-1. Copy medevac. What is your location? Negative copy, 1-1. Transmitting in the blind. I say again, negative copy. What is your location? Ethan.
Over here, sir!
Marines!
Glad you made it, sir. Sergeant Brooks is up that way.
Thanks, Marine. Take care of him.
Yes, sir. Captain! Hurry up, sir! Help me get this off him! Hang in there, buddy. Captain Reyes is gonna help us. No problem, sir. Look good, Commander. Just a little stuck is all.
All right. We got you, guys.
Here, Captain! He's bleeding bad. We have to see him now. I'll go get a med kit. You have to take over and apply pressure.
I have him. Go.
Sorry, sir. Always have been a bleeder.
Don't worry, Cash.
us, huh? That'll impress, Lieutenant.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she'll love it.
I can still fight.
I know you can, Marine. We're gonna get you back out there in no time.
Brooks, where's that med kit? Let's go!
Is that range, sir?
Rest in peace, Cash.
I couldn't find anything, sir.
It's okay, Sergeant. We tried.
Hell of a day, Commander. Semper Fi, Marine.
Let's get to the red.
Sir. Marines!
Stand fast! Identify yourself!
Blue! Blue! It's Commander Reyes. Got Marines with me.
Commander. Sergeant, good to see you guys. Right this way.
Captain? Lieutenant? Where the hell were you?
Good to see you too, Saul.
Brooks?
Men.
Kashima?
KIA, Lieutenant.
Gibson too.
Peace to the fallen. Your men are waiting for you, Sergeant. Get them set. Stand by for orders.
Marines, on me.
Give me a sit rep.
Salvage what we could from the red. Comms are up.
Lift platform to the shipyard is 100 clicks north-northeast. We're in the middle of nowhere out here.
SDF scout ship came through. We shot it down.
There'll be others.
We'll be ready for them.
Stratcom?
No signal. We're isolated.
I'll do whatever it takes to keep us secure.
You're our leader, sir. Not our savior.
I hold myself accountable, Chief.
As you should. You aborted the mission. Captain.
He saved his ship and crew, Chief.
And that's noble, but the shipyard remains intact. Look, the strength of the pack is in all the wolves, Captain. All in, no matter the cost. They were ready. Now, if you don't have the will to make that kind of choice, then like me, you have no place being in command.
I couldn't ram my own ship. I would have killed them.
They came to win. This doesn't look like victory.
SDF scout ship!
Take cover! Watch your round count!
Wait till it's close!
All stations, this is Metal 1.
Ethan, what's your position?
Inbound, sir. Marking now.
Check your fire!
Robot Army reporting for duty, sir.
He hacked the Olympus bots.
Smart bastard. How many did you get?
Full company, sir. I mean, they're idiots, but they can fight.
Good work, Metal 1. Touchdown and get ready to go.
Aye, sir.
Captain, we're all with you, sir.
Thanks, Chief. Let's get back to work.
Oh, sir.
We stay trenched in down here. We're sitting ducks.
We're not staying here. We're engaging, up there.
Storm the gates.
Fight our way to the top, get ourselves a ship. Password.
Rod, I'll get a transport set. Griff's out there. Go see him. You need a weapon.
Salt. I'm glad you're still here.
Hell or high water.
Stay
status?
Transmitter is up. No hits.
Report all traffic immediately.
Gator,
Commander, we assume the worst.
likewise. Listen, I need you. Can you shoot?
Whatever it takes, sir. Quite a maneuver up there, Captain.
Didn't seem like a choice, Gator.
You're a lucky SOB. The shrapnel just missed your artery. Just patch me up, Doc.
Marines, those of you who can fight, report to Sergeant Brooks. We're moving out.
Get our FKVs loaded in. Draw straws on the boost rigs. Hoorah! Commander, Bravo's got strike vehicles and a few good men, sir.
Well done, Sergeant.
I'll be damned.
Man's got 9 knives.
We're mounting an attack. Elevator to the shipyard.
Any recommendation, Griff?
Whatever's gonna kill most of them, and leave a few for me.
Simulation loading. Simulation activated. Segment cleared. Segment cleared. Simulation completed.
Not everything made it out unscathed. Got your kid on the table over here, sir.
pack. You lead Echo Team.
I'll be ready, Captain.
Hamilton, I need you out there with me on this one.
Good day for a fight, eh, Captain?
May the road rise to meet you. May the wind be at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. And may the rain fall softly upon your fields. Until we meet again. Semper Fi, Marine.
Get your mechs onto the transports. They're spearheading the assault.
Solid copy. Be advised. They're dumber than I thought, sir.
It's okay, Ethan. They're cannon fodder.
Good call, sir.
Shall we?
Who's in the cockpit?
Boggs, we're in good hands.
Boggs, fly low to avoid radar and air defense.
Aye, sir.
I saved one for you, Captain. We're in short supply, but I knew you'd make it, sir.
Appreciate it, TJ. Green to go, Boggs!
Up in 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do not fight here to win. Our battle is so that those we fight for do not lose. There are billions of people back home who don't know what we're doing, but they will know exactly what we've done. Good luck out there. Our primary objective is infiltrating the orbital platform. Flying directly up to the shipyard is a no-go due to their active intercept system, so this is a ground assault. Ethan's bots will create a diversion while our Ravens insert on the edge of the platform's perimeter. There are 3 anti-air guns that need to be taken out before our birds can move in and provide support.
I'll prime the ordnance I commandeered from the Olympus Mons to hit those AA turrets. Captain, I'll give you access to a drone to designate those strike positions. Hey, should be a blast.
Affirmative, Ethan. After the guns are down, we push into the facility and ascend to the shipyard.
Dock in 5 seconds.
Copy, Boggs. It's go time!
Roger, be advised, LZ is hot.
Raider flight to Bravo 1. Follow for infill in the west. All elements stand by for insert.
Touchdown.
Guns up!
Echo 1, we're encountering heavy resistance. Watch for enemy compound. Stand down!
Stay low! Get the cover!
I'm gonna move now! Right there, right there! 30 meters! Tracking them!
AA guns are cutting us up.
Hey, first pair of AA guns are visual.
Copy! Ethan, let's target that AA!
Copy. Drone is overhead, sir. Ordnance set to fire on your mark.
Raj!
Take out those guns so our jackals can get through.
AA guns are engaging jackals.
Reloading.
Jackal are negative for AAX out.
Target marked! Be advised, first AA gun is down!
Copy, Commander. Echo's support element is inbound. They'll get you through the door.
Echo is on station at the gate. Engineers, cut us a hole. Roger, burning in. Gate is clear. Push in.
Entries is crawling with SDF. Freeze it clear. with reinforcements.
Copy, friendly's approaching.
I can't get him. Copy.
Got one! Second floor!
Holding the entry. Let's clear him out.
Area secure, move up.
Raven 3, inserting Marines.
I'll cover you.
Jackals are taking heavy AA fire.
I'll help you at the door, Commander! It's good to be in the fight with you, sir. Enemy airship! Get down, sir! Get her!
He's gone, Reyes.
Shit!
To Raider. We're getting torn up by those AAs.
Contact, 12 o'clock.
Drone is up and ready. Mark your target, sir. That death interrupted our drone link. Make this one count, sir.
Target marked!
Copy. Firing. No splash. Drone strike is a miss. Rearming. To Raider. We're getting torn up by those AAs.
He's done. Enemy.
Target marked!
Copy! Firing! Target destroyed, sir!
Well done, Commander.
Main entrance is blocked. Cross here, on me. Door to the orbital platform, dead ahead.
Well, stay sharp.
Ryan, pick up that X-bar!
Griff, shadow the Marines!
My guys found out.
Push forward! Shield up!
On track it in! Target, 10 o'clock!
Enemy personnel! First floor! 12 o'clock!
Contact, 2 o'clock! Body's down! Contact, 11 o'clock! Got a visual!
This is our pinch point!
There's the last AA gun.
Going down, Captain. Set that block. No strike bell.
Squad, we're called for fire. I need guns on these AAs.
Roger. Inbound for gun run. Time to target 10 seconds.
That C-12's got your name on it already. Another mega!
I see it!
Keep hitting it!
Time to target. 5 seconds. Jackals and weapons loose. Danger close. Captain, be advised. AA guns are still online.
Jackal 2-5, I need you to take down the guns by whatever means necessary.
Negative 2-5 is weapons dry. I got nothing left, sir.
2-5, you gotta hit those positions. We are out of options.
Understood, Commander. I'll ram the gun site. Fair winds, sir.
Fair winds.
Good luck.
Enemy sniper! On the catwalk! 12 o'clock!
Copy, Rhino team.
Go, go, go!
On station. Check. Bridge in on the bridge. Copy.
Shields out! All stations, be advised, AA defenses are down. We're moving up!
Across this bridge, we're in.
Shields up!
Good work, Commander.
I see one!
Inside, go!
Let's go! 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 All right, hold up. Griff, take lead.
I'll stay down here with my Marines. Buy you some time, sir. No, you go up with the captain. I'll stay here. Good man. Take these. Get going. I'll live for a good gunfight. You three, stay with Griff. Give him hell, Captain. All right, you two, over there, cover us. You make the far side.
Let's get this done and get out of here.
Take it to him, sir.
Same to you, warrant officer. Show him how it's done, Griff.
It ain't bulletproof, sir.
Peace to the fallen.
Peace to the fallen. Ethan, bring up the shipyard schematics. Roger. Streaming? These SDF vessels are in dry dock, sir. They're being built, repaired, or resupplied.
Can you identify a ship we can use?
Yes, ma'am. I've located one with drop capabilities.
Good. That's our ride.
What's our plan of attack when we get to the top? They will ambush.
He's right. This elevator is the only way up from the surface.
I'm sure they're tracking us now.
Sir, I can engage the emergency lock before we get to the summit.
We'll go exterior. Our boost rigs will give us an edge.
Ambush the ambush.
Once we're clear, we can move the elevator up.
Affirmative. Salt, Chief, you're with me. Brooks, Ethan, we don't make it, you head up there and kick all the ass you can find. Ethan can fly that ship.
Solid copy, Commander.
Plan is to rally at the top.
Get her done, sir.
Hold it here, Ethan.
Roger. Hang on.
We've got incoming.
On you, Reyes.
We're all good here. Enemy movement.
We need to keep the element of surprise.
I got something over here.
Hit the group on the right first. Target's down. Let's keep moving.
Keep your eyes open.
They're deploying every bot they have.
Means our forces are putting up a fight down there.
Let's see if we can help them out and disable these launchers.
Salt, you got one of those charges?
Here you go.
Doors opening. Let me go before it blows. Captain, please go.
Damn it, Mac! Why'd she do that?
She did that so we keep going. The others are still counting on us.
right.
Let's go stop that ambush.
We're clear through here. Enemies up ahead. Stay low.
We think Shano is targeting this level. You too! Mark up here! Shuttle guards, get in!
More targets!
Clear!
Let's get the others up here and get to that ship.
Raj.
Ready to load off, Captain.
Thanks, sir.
Where's the chief?
She didn't make it.
We gotta go.
Clear!
All clear.
Which ship is it, Ethan?
Right there.
That's a destroyer.
It's got a full payload.
Can we use it?
To fight our way out?
No. To level this place.
The ship on fire, Captain. The weapon system is not enabled.
Forget the weapons. Let's release the moorings, key in a drop, and go.
Boats. How can we enable the payload?
Firing control, sir. Where's firing control?
Command center, ma'am. It's a shuttle ride that way.
Who's gonna do that?
Me.
You'll never make it back to the ship. If we wait, they'll fire on us.
You're not gonna wait.
Captain. How will you get home?
No one's going home. You board that ship and you terminate this place, Salt. Do as much damage as you can before SDF takes you out.
I can do both. I can hit the shipyard and drop out of here.
You won't have time.
Watch me.
You got the green light to do whatever it takes. Just finish the mission.
Everybody good with this?
You'll need a crew to launch.
We'll have to fight our way on.
Shuttle. Brooks, take him out. Ethan, with me.
No, ma'am. Captain's gonna need my help to get to the command center.
Damn you both. Did you know we were gonna finish this here?
No. I think Mac did.
Well, I guess I'll see you both in hell.
Count on it.
Okay, gentlemen, let's move out! Fair winds.
Captain, you copy?
Affirmative, Ethan.
I'm into their network. Got eyes on you now.
What about enemy positions?
Got eyes on those too, sir.
This is suicide, Reyes.
I gave my order, Salt.
Captain doesn't always bring his men home.
Not always.
This is your stop, sir. Looks to be clear.
Check.
Junction room. Should be full of stock you can swipe.
Last haul, huh?
Regrettably, sir.
All set. Where to?
All the way to the far. Guns close.
Copy.
Don't underestimate them! Enemies ahead!
approaching the destroyer. I need weapons and moorings unlocked. One without the other is a no-go.
Raj, be advised, hostile airships are moving to your sector.
Copy. Eyes on. Out.
Captain, you got company on the exit.
This area is under... Enemies ahead! Where is he?
Got no cover!
I'll take care of that.
Dead end, Ethan.
Use the access shaft, upper left.
Copy that.
Peter, we're dug in with the Marines, taking fire! Sir, we're getting stitched up over here, no time to wait!
Copy. Moving as fast as I can, hold them off. Ethan! Thanks, partner.
In spite of the situation, I'm enjoying myself, sir.
Me too.
I'm clear here, Ethan.
Good shooting, sir. You'll need to take the elevator to firing control. Almost there.
Copy.
You should be going by their munitions depot, sir.
Affirmative. Quite an arsenal.
Lieutenant, enemies boarding! Reyes, we're taking casualties here! Running out of time!
Ethan, hostile forces are aboard the Lieutenant's destroyer.
Sir, firing control entry is dead ahead. Be advised, room is occupied with armed personnel.
Roger that.
Enemy, what is wrong? Affirmative!
Ethan, hostile forces are aboard the Lieutenant's destroyer.
Sir, firing control entry is dead ahead. Be advised, room is occupied with armed personnel.
Roger that.
Captain, the terminal! As soon as you can, please, sir!
I'm at the terminal, Ethan. You release the moorings, I'll activate firing control.
Sir, SetDef shut down the switches on the locks. I can blow the relays from here and release the moorings manually, but I'll need your help.
I'll come back.
No time. Core interference may disable my processor. Hack into my system and you can keep me moving. Use the hacking module. I've got line of sight to your location, sir.
Okay. I'm in. Pretty strange.
It's very unusual, sir.
What do we do?
Distribution room. Down the steps, Captain. We'll pull the fuses, overload the circuits, melt the relays on the ship locks.
Ethan, why do you need me for this?
Core is electromagnetic. Shock may disable my processor. I'll need your help to stay mobile. Get me inside the distribution room and we can overload it in time. My chassis can sustain temps well above this, sir. Keep moving. Core room is just up ahead.
What do we do?
Inductive coil visible in my HUD. Pull the capacitor to destabilize the reactor.
It looks like it's overloading. Let's get out of here.
No, sir. Core is still holding. They don't need a charge. Set it off. My self-destruct, sir. The detonation will ignite the core. It'll set off a chain reaction and blow the mooring.
There's gotta be another way.
I'm afraid not, sir. I understand the conflict, Captain. I'm ready. I promise. Good luck, Reyes. It's been an honor, sir.
Honor was all mine, Metal One.
Reyes, we're mobile. Enable firing control.
Firing control is set. You have the con.
Copy firing control.
Target is marked. Fire on my position.
Reyes, get the hell out of there!
Fire on my position, Salter!
I can't do that, Nick!
Nora, finish the mission. That's an order.
Set weapons free! All stations! Warship is green to engage! Guns! Swivel mount Mark 1! Open fire! Open fire! Incoming missile carrying 240! Launch countermeasure! Hold target! Hold target! Concentrate fire! Concentrate fire! Casualties on the bridge! Still rotate to cover! Keep firing! Keep firing! All stations, this is R12, transmitting in the blind. Shipyard destroyed. Reyes, do you copy? Reader? Nick, do you copy?
Both officers, aware of the imminent danger, in spite of extensive casualties, planned and skillfully executed an attack with unwavering devotion to their duty. Commander Reyes and Lieutenant Salter gallantly offered their own lives and those of their crew, mobilizing at close range against superior firepower. The operation eliminated vital numbers of enemy vessels and destroyed the Settlement Defense France orbital shipyard. The officer's commitment exhibited the highest traditions of naval service.
Peace to the fallen.
To my dearest wife, Sarah, my son, Noah, and my daughter, Abby. If you're reading this, I can tell you with the utmost confidence that I died for something right and just. The cost of war is higher than any one life, and I happily give mine in defense of my men and family. Abby, I'm sorry I didn't keep my promise when I said I was coming home. My hopes for your future gave me the strength to protect everything we hold dear. You will always be Daddy's little girl. Noah, be an honest man. Keep your word. Only use violence as a last resort. You're the man of the house now. Sarah, please keep our baby safe. And find it in your heart to forgive me for leaving you alone. If my last breath is not in the battlefield, then surely it will be in your arms. Keep me in your hearts. Always.
For my dear wife Olivia and my daughter Nesrine. If you are reading this, I guess I didn't make it home. I was prepared to face danger and death. I hope I did so with dignity. My time was cut short, but I had countless blessings. I married the perfect woman. I have a brand new daughter on the way. I'd be selfish to ask for more. I love you, Olivia. Welcome our baby into this world and cherish her for me. Remind her about her daddy. And please, never be afraid to do what you need to find happiness. Nesrine? Hello, sweetheart. I left for this tour before you were born. I'm sorry I won't be able to see you grow up. Daddy wanted to make the world a better place. That's why we made you. Keep me in your prayers and try to do one good deed every day. Be safe, my family. Victor.
Sir, we're behind enemy lines now in the heat of battle. Time is short. You've given an order from which there is likely no return. You did what had to be done. All in. I'm proud of you. You're a born leader, sir. Today was one of the worst days in history, and forgive me for saying it, but it was the greatest day of my life. I did everything I was trained for and more. Together, we fought the good fight. Over Titan, you said we were brothers. I always wanted to know what a family really is. Now I do. Admiral Rains told me that a soldier is only as good as his last mission. If this is ours, then I can say, with certainty, we were damn good, sir. Better to burn out than it is to rust. Metal One, out.
Sir? I'm not quite sure how a son greets his father after not seeing him for a lifetime. Guess I'll say hi, Dad. Finally tracked down your address through the Human Resource Department in Washington. I had to use my birth certificate to prove we were related. I want you to know I followed in your footsteps. I joined the Navy. Thought it would make you proud. If we ever saw each other, we'd have more to talk about. I went to sniper school to be a sharpshooter, but my vision changed. I became an instructor. I'm currently deployed aboard the UNSA carrier Retribution. My mom, Sandy, passed away this year. I went back to the old house just before shipping out and found a box with your Silver Star for Valor. My mom kept it all this time. I wish I'd known you still lived in Tennessee. I would have dropped by. Could have had a beer and caught up. I forgive you for leaving. I hope you're not mad at me for writing. Thanks for helping bring me into this world.